The uncrating and assembly of the auger should be accomplished by 2 people. Start by prying off the top of the crate. Do not cut any of the bands yet or the unit may tip forward. Use care removing the sides of the crate as there is a cross brace holding the unit from tipping. Snip the plastic bands holding the tires and remove the screw holding the hitch to the pallet. Then remove these items from the pallet. Once the crate sides are out of the way, snip the plastic bands holding the axle and the beam, leaving the cradle band until last. Have the assistant hold the handle as the unit will tip forward upon cutting the cradle band. Stay clear of the back of the engine while cutting the last band holding the engine cradle. Remove and save the wooden block that was under the engine cradle and use it as a prop for assembling the wheel. The hubs are shipped with the lug nuts installed backwards. Remove the lug nuts from the hubs. Using 2 people, tip the unit to the side just far enough to place the block under the axle block and with enough room to install the wheel. Do not tip beyond. With the valve stem facing outward, install the wheel and fasten the lug nuts with the cone inward using a 13/16" socket. Lower the unit and torque to 85 foot-pounds. Remove the block and move to the other side. Tip the unit, block the axle, and fasten the second wheel. Be sure to check the air pressure in both tires, which should be set no higher than the rated pressure indicated on the tire. Roll the unit off of the pallet. With the spring pin latches on the lower part of the tank in the open position, attach the tow tongue to the spring pin latches and secure the hitch by moving the spring pins through the hitch and the latch holes. Lower the frame of the unit down to the forward tow bar bracket. Check the pin alignment between the frame and the tow bar bracket. If necessary, adjust the forward tow bar bracket alignment by loosening the 3 7/16" nuts using a 5/8" wrench. Adjust the alignment and retighten to 35 foot-pounds. Give the unit a general visual inspection. Look for shipping damage, fluid leaks, lost or loose fasteners, and general condition of the hoses and wires. This unit comes pre-filled with hydraulic fluid in the tank. You should be able to see the fluid level from the sight glass on the side of the tank. The engine is not filled with engine oil. See the engine video or manual for proper oil type, weight, and quantity.